Hey guys, welcome to another video on personal finance tips and strategies. In this video, I would like to share with you a high-paying career opportunity which you can obtain without having a college degree. This could allow you to earn a six-figure income with just having a high school education. Now, this high-paying career which I'm referring to is being a freelance photographer or videographer. This is a lucrative career opportunity with the earning potential of $40,000 to over $200,000 per year without having a college degree. Contrary to popular belief, earning a six-figure income doesn't always require a college degree. With the right combination of skill, hustle, and experience, there are several career paths open to those with just a high school diploma. Now, I'm pretty sure by this you're excited, so let's continue. The path to getting started. Develop your skills through online courses and a lot of practice. If you're gonna do this by yourself, like learning to be a videographer or photographer, you wanna develop your skills through a lot of practice and online courses. You can check YouTube for free courses. There is a ton of them on YouTube that you can go through. I have been scrolling through some myself and I see where they are very, very helpful. So you can check YouTube for courses. Then after you've gained some experience and build some confidence, you want to then create a strong portfolio and start marketing your services on and offline. So during your years of practice, when you've gotten good at taking pictures and videotaping, build a portfolio. You can have a website or you can have a social media account where you post examples of your work. You can showcase your skills on social media or on YouTube, and then start marketing yourself online. You will be well on your way to making over $40,000 and $200,000 per year. And this is without having a college degree. That's a six-figure income with no college degree. Now let's look at why it pays. Gigs like weddings pay a lot. Corporate gigs, high-end commercial projects can command thousands per shoot. Keep in mind that branding yourself on social media and having a social media presence is key to your success. So gigs like weddings pay well. If you need a videographer or a photographer at a wedding, that's a lot of money right there. You can also shoot corporate gigs or high-end commercial projects. Those can pay very well. But of course, you have to be good at what you do and you will have to be able to market your skills. So don't be discouraged because you don't have a college degree. Your high school diploma can be the beginning of a financially rewarding career. Just be willing to learn and hustle. So whether you prefer working with your hands, solving problems, selling, or managing projects, there's always a six-figure future out there for you. No college degree is required. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope that this excites you a bit and motivates you to get started. If this is something that you're interested in, go for it guys. Go for it. go on YouTube and search for those videos that can tutor you to your way of becoming a high six-figure earner in this field. If you would like to add something to this video, please do so by commenting in the comment section below. You can add value to this video so that the person who is watching this video can gain value from your input. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and click on the thumbs up button to leave us a like. We will be doing our deep research, and we will be digging out more of these high paying careers that you can obtain without having a college degree. So subscribe to this channel so that you won't be missing any of our videos. Until next time, please stay safe.